and thanks for tuning in. My name is Brad Micklin. I'm the attorney and managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in empowering men and fathers in divorce, custody, and family law matters, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, and Saddlebrook, New Jersey. I'm also the proud author of How to Survive and Thrive When Divorcing a Narcissist. You can find the book on Amazon.com in a Kindle version and a hardback copy by searching my name or the title. I hope it helps you or anybody facing these issues. Today's a new video in my series, #FamilyCourtSucks, which I try to give my listeners some legal and practical advice about what to expect in what I consider the less than perfect family court system. So let's start talking about why family court sucks. Today's video is #FamilyCourtSucks because you don't get your day in court. People use this phrase all the time in high conflict cases, seeking to be able to bring all of your information to a judge. It can be an important and rewarding if you spent many years defending bogus or meaningless allegations. So you may wonder why I feel you don't get your day in court. So first is, in my experience, judges hate trials. Can't give you certainty as to why. Not a judge. None of them will say why. But I have a feeling it's part of an attempt to avoid motions to reconsider and appeals if they make the wrong decision. And in some part, most of them believe it's best for you to make the decisions on your own and not have a judge decide your issues for you. Now, I have to admit, I do somewhat agree with this concept that it's best to avoid a judge making decisions for you. But in many cases, there's just no option. The other side or positions and posture is just too unreasonable. The only way to reach a settlement with a type of person like this is to give in and lose everything. That could mean assets, alimony, even custody and parenting time. Judges don't appreciate that some people make it impossible to reach a settlement for this very reason. The next reason I think that you don't get your day in court is judges will make few decisions during your case and instead save everything to be decided all at one time. Most people can't wait for what could be a year or two for a trial date to decide issues like custody, parenting time, alimony, child support. So many decisions, even if they're temporary, will be resolved or settled over the course of the litigation, leaving very few remaining issues for trial, which makes the expense and time of the trial excessive and burdensome when compared to remaining issues for trial that would get decided. Lastly, once you do get your day in court, you're unlikely to be satisfied with it. First, they're often conducted over several days and are not usually consecutive, which means you'll be spending a lot of time and money to get these few remaining issues resolved. Many find it easier to compromise or surrender their positions just to end the litigation by this point in time. Normally, in this point of the video, I'd also be telling you how this information can help you and how to use it. But there's not much you can do with this information except to anticipate it. And of course, like most topics, I always recommend seeking alternative dispute resolution processes to help you resolve and settle issues, but it's not going to get you any closer to an actual trial date. It may eliminate your need for one. Some people just want a judge to make a decision and tell one of the parties who is right and who is wrong. You don't get that through an alternate dispute resolution process, and that's why I think family court sucks. I did link some additional videos below about the divorce process, trial preparation, and common mistakes to avoid in settlements. I hope this information helps you. If it does, please give a like and share it so others get to see the video. You should also subscribe so you get notices when I go online, so you can post comments, ask questions, and make recommendations for topics you would like me to cover in the future. Thanks. Have a good holiday season and stay safe. Here's my contact information if you have any questions or would like to schedule a meeting.